Ladies and gentlemen, it's Halloween time. I really actually don't like doing DIYs. I'm super lazy with my costumes, so this is definitely for you if you need some last minute ideas. If you don't want to put too much effort and you have an older brother or a boyfriend, definitely do Frat Boy. I got pretty much everything from my brother. The Vineyard Vines shirt was his and the Tommy shorts were his, and they actually fit okay. They were super loose, but since guys have smaller hips, they stayed on. I think that this costume can be really cute in a big group. It is kind of weird if it's just you wearing it, but that's just me. This next outfit is John B. I love this one so much. The bandana trend was really in this summer, so I bet a lot of you guys have it. I just wore a shirt that I got when I was in Hawaii. He wears a lot of like buttoned up shirts and then just put the bandana on along with the tank top and the same khakis that I was wearing for the Frat Boy outfit. So this next outfit is perfect if you're like me and kind of have darker hair. I don't know how this will go if you're blonde, but this is Key from Outer Banks. She wears a lot of these headbands. I just made this headband out of a shirt that I cut. It was super simple. Wore a shirt that I thrifted along with the tank top and some beachy shorts, and she wears a ton of friendship bracelets, so I made sure to wear those along with some beaded necklaces. A lot of these are pretty summery, but I'm assuming that not a lot of you guys are going to be trick-or-treating outside, but if you are, there are definitely more warm outfits coming up. This next outfit, I was honestly debating whether I should put this in this video. It's not necessarily inappropriate, it's just odd. But this is Regina George in Mean Girls from where her shirt got cut. It's actually so easy to do. I just cut out holes in a shirt that I already didn't want. I just wore this outfit with a skirt because she was wearing a skirt in the movie. I dressed up as Serena Vanderwoodson, and honestly this can pass for a schoolgirl too, so you got a 2-in-1. This costume is definitely inspired by Hannah Malosh's Halloween costumes video, and I actually really like what I did with matching my tie to my skirt. The pink details on the tie really match the skirt. I think this just looks so nice. And I just put a Princess Polly bag on my shoulder. I had to watch a video on how to tie a tie, and I didn't even do it correctly. I have to pause on filming this video because I have an online class, but I'm just gonna wear my Halloween costume in my class, honestly. Kind of cute. I really like the schoolgirl vibe. So it's not a Visco girl, but I think I definitely could have done a better job with making sure that I didn't look like a Visco girl. My props are my Hydro Flask with some friendship bracelet string and some sunscreen because, of course, they're trying to protect their campers. If you're currently enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell and follow me on my Instagram because I'm constantly posting and updating you guys on there. This is honestly such a vibe. This costume is literally so precious. I'm styling my hair in 2 high pigtails along with some Christmas PJs and just some gray sweatpants from Brandy Melville. I'm holding this big bear that I've literally had in my house for years. I just grabbed my old ballet stuff and I haven't worn this stuff in months, so it was really fun to put it back on. I know not everyone has ballet stuff, but I'm sure that if you did gymnastics in the past, possibly you could use your leotard. The skirt I'm wearing isn't even a ballet skirt, it's literally a wrap skirt from Brandy Melville. I got this bar top from Aloe Yoga. It is so cute. I wish I got to wear this before I stopped doing ballet. When I put the Aloe top on, it's definitely more suitable for cold weather. So this next costume, I actually got my hands dirty and did a DIY, which is rare for me because I'm just really not a DIY person. Like, I'm actually super lazy. But this DIY was super simple. All I had to do was grab some tissue paper, and I already had like a green shirt, so that was super helpful. And I just cut out eggs. I tried to cut out red cabbage. My props are salad dressing and like a kitchen tool. All you need is a Hawaiian or tropical-ish top, anything that gives off that tourist vibe. And I wore a bucket hat with this, a tank top, and some beachy shorts. You can obviously wear pants too. Next costume I'm going to be showing you guys, I actually dressed up as last year, but with a Celtics jersey. You're basically just dressing up with a jersey over a hoodie. Super basic, but I definitely think it's realistic for a big group. If it's last minute and you're all trying to coordinate, a lot of people have a hoodie with a jersey.
She doesn't even go here. Do you even go to this school?
I just grabbed my blue Lululemon hoodie and some Ray-Bans and just made my sign. It was super simple. Just wrote it out in Sharpie on a piece of paper. This is definitely very low effort, but I honestly think that people will get the costume and recognize the meme. I just put this flannel underneath a denim overall dress, and both of these items are from my older siblings, so they were quite baggy on me. I really wish I had a cowgirl hat, but I really like the vibe of this. I do be a farmer though. So to turn this country girl look into a scarecrow look, all I gotta do is some makeup. This is the look that I'm going for. I got this picture off of Pinterest. I'm just gonna full send. I feel like this is gonna make me break out. This look is so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. I think I'm just gonna go with this. I am no Avani, but this came out pretty cute. If you're going for a last minute look, any looks that really rely mostly on the makeup, like this scarecrow look, will be really good because you don't have to go out and get stuff if you have some makeup at home. Those are all my Halloween costume ideas for you guys. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.